Who doesn't want beautiful hair? But in the current era, due to unhealthy lifestyle, pollution and lack of proper nutrition to the hair, premature graying of hair has become a common thing. The graying of hair before a certain age is really a matter of concern. Nowadays, the problem of white hair occurs even in very young people. Many women and men also have to face difficulties in getting married because of the white background. The graying of hair at an early age is due to the lack of melanin. Another reason for this is the lack of a balanced diet, due to which your body and hair do not get complete nutrition. There are many such cells in our body that work together and keep the hair black. However, if these cells do not get proper nutrition, then they stop working properly. Due to this, the hair starts turning white. For these gray hairs, taking medicines from the market or getting treatment from a doctor is an easy way, but at the same time their side effects are also seen a lot. In such a situation, it is better that you take some natural treatment, i.e., resort to some Ayurvedic remedies. With these Ayurvedic remedies, not only your graying head hair but also your beard hair will turn black. The role of gooseberry is considered important in darkening the hair. If you drink amla juice on a daily basis, then it will soon give complete nutrition to your hair. If you drink amla juice continuously for a month, then you will start seeing its effect on your hair. According to WebMD, you should clean your hands before and after removing worms or anything else from your eyes. The eye area is very delicate, so you should not use hot water. You can use lukewarm water with cold water. At the same time, the eye cleaning cloth should be absolutely clean. The first way to remove worms and straws from the eyes is to use your tears. For this, bring your eyelid to the lower eyelash. Now try to blink your eyes. By doing this, your tears will start coming, which will take out the thing that has gone into the eyes. You can also use water to clean the eyes thoroughly. But keep in mind that the water is completely clean. You can keep the eyes under running water for a while. In this way, the eyes will be cleared and they will also get coolness. Never make the mistake of rubbing your eyes while cleaning them. By doing this, not only can the dirt go inside more, but the muscles of your eyes can also be damaged. Ayurveda doctors tell that by applying henna with chemical, apart from itching, rash, redness in the skin starts coming out with henna. The side effects of this chemical henna can be more severe in women with sensitive skin. Experts advise that before applying mehendi, check how old the mehendi is. In earlier times, henna leaves were ground and applied, which did not have any side effects. But now ready-made mehendi is available in shops in which chemicals are mixed. In such a situation, it is very important to check its expiry date. If you buy pomegranate by looking at the color, then this is the wrong way. Because the color of pomegranate depends on its variety. The color of pomegranate can range from pale pink to very red. At the same time, do not be troubled by the slight cracks present on the pomegranate peels. Because it does not make much difference to the pomegranate grains. Pomegranate can be stored at room temperature for a week. At the same time, you can take out pomegranate seeds and keep them in an airtight container and keep them inside the refrigerator or freezer. In this way, anardana remains edible for 5 days to a month. There is a lot of nutrition inside the pomegranate. Contains vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, fiber and many other antioxidants. This fruit is very beneficial for urinary tract, heart, hemoglobin and brain. The doctor told that the dishwashing juna can certainly make your utensils shine, but it is the biggest home of bacteria. The sponge you use for mud contains 10 million bacteria per square inch. In the kitchen sink. Coli, Salmonella, Shigella, Campylobacter, norovirus and hepatitis A are deadly bacteria. E. coli can survive on surfaces for hours, Salmonella can survive for about 4 hours, and hepatitis A can survive for months. A chopping board contains 200 times more dangerous bacteria than a toilet seat. It is believed to contain bacteria like Salmonella, E. coli, and Campylobacter, which can cause many diseases. There will be many items in your house like TV, AC, cooler, or remote running, and they will also have separate remotes for them. This time, clean them and cover them well. Apart from this, remove the old cover of your mobile and keep it clean as well. A report published on TIO suggests that the remote can be up to 20 times dirtier than the toilet. Similarly, a recent study has found that there can be more than 17,000 bacteria on mobiles. Women in the age group of 30 to 40 years should undergo clinical breast examination, CSE, monthly with BSE once a year by a health professional. All women above 40 years of age should undergo clinical breast examination, mammogram once a year as well as a monthly BSE. Women going through menopause can do it on a fixed day of every month. Self-examination of the breast is advisable, done monthly after 3 to 4 days of menstruation, when the breasts are tender and do not swell. BSE has two parts, look and feel. The woman should stand in front of the mirror and look at her breast. Are the breasts the same size and shape, or have there been any changes? It is normal for one breast to increase in size from the other. Monthly checkups help a woman know what is normal for her. He should also note the color and texture of his skin. She does this by first bringing her arms to both sides, raising them in the air, and finally bringing her hands down to her hips and expanding her chest muscles. They should check that both the breasts are at the same level. Similarly, check the nipple. Changes in nipple, ripening, ulcer or nipple discharge. If there is any kind of swelling in the armpits or neck, then it should be noticed. Then after this, slowly divide the upper part of your fingers in circular clockwise manner into upper, lower, outer and inner part, and feel for nipple areola complex and any kind of abnormal lump or pain. Note any discharge, especially blood-like discharge from one of the nipples. Now finish your investigation by moving it to the sides. Lump in the breast that feels hard. Change in breast texture, dimples on the breast, nipple swelling or blood-like discharge, prolapse of the nipple. Women should remember to check up on time and go to the doctor when something seems wrong. Protein is essential for the body, and both these things are a good source of protein. Dates and milk both have significant protein content, so eating both together increases bone density and develops muscle mass. Like mental and physical health, it is also necessary to have a balanced sexual health for a better life. To increase sexual ability, soak some dates in milk at night and then drink that milk in the morning. Dates are a great morning meal as they are rich in nutrients like glucose and fructose. Consumption of dates and milk can keep your stomach full for a long time. This mixture gives you full energy and strength. Iron is one of the many ingredients that are already present in dates. As we all know, iron helps speed up the body's blood supply, which is important for anyone suffering from anemia. It will be beneficial to mix only 3 dates with a glass of warm milk. Amla is very beneficial for the body. Vitamin C present in amla is very good for eyesight. Feeding amla to children daily strengthens their immunity. To give amla to children, you can feed them sweet murabba, amla candy, or give amla juice to children to drink. Sweet potato is very beneficial for health. The beta-carotene present in it helps in sharpening the eyesight. Vitamin A and vitamin C are found in abundance in sweet potatoes, which are very good for the eyes. To feed sweet potatoes to babies, you can give it to its chart or boil it. Tomatoes are liked by most of the children. Vitamin A and vitamin C present in tomatoes help in increasing the eyesight of children and keeping their eyes healthy. To feed tomatoes to children, they can be given in the form of salad or even after making soup. Digestion of the child is also strengthened by eating tomatoes. Orange comes in citrus fruits. It is rich in vitamin C, which helps fight cataracts and keeps the eyes hydrated. Orange contains sufficient amount of water, so it is very beneficial for eyesight. Fish contains healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are very beneficial for the retina of the eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids sharpen the brain, which also strengthens the eye muscles and increases eyesight. Feed fish to the child. You can also give him fish oil pills. Don't make the mistake of mistaking dark chocolate as unhealthy, because, by eating it in the limit, many health problems can be overcome, in which magnesium deficiency is also included. There is 64 milligrams of magnesium inside 28 grams of dark chocolate, which makes it the best magnesium food. Consumption of curd is considered beneficial for health. But such people who have arthritis disease should not consume curd. Actually, the trans fat present in curd works to increase the amount of uric acid, which is a cause of gout. Eating excess sugar causes the body to produce more cytokines, which are inflammatory proteins. People with arthritis already have high levels of cytokines, so increased inflammation can make them feel worse. Ayurveda doctors tell that gout patients should not consume potatoes. Potato works to increase pain and swelling in the joints. Hip transplant cases are seen more in patients who consume milk in arthritis. In such a situation, experts advise arthritis patients to avoid milk. In Arabia, cumin is eaten with honey because it has aphrodisiac properties that enhance men's sexual power. Helping married men who are troubled by low libido, erectile dysfunction, and premature ejaculation, they must start consuming cumin seeds with lukewarm water at night. Obesity is the cause of most of the sexual problems of men. It reduces the stamina and performance of men. But, by consuming cumin seeds with lukewarm water, metabolism is accelerated and belly fat seems to decrease. Due to diabetes, the veins carrying blood start getting damaged, due to which there may be lack of erection in men. Poor erection spoils your sex life with partner. But by consuming cumin, insulin sensitivity increases in the body and diabetes remains under control. How to make cumin water? According to Dr. Multani, put 2 cups of water in the pan at night. After this, add 2 teaspoons cumin or its powder and let it boil. Let this mixture cool down a bit and drink it lukewarm at night.